If you are a pig farm owner, sick of hard to follow advice and want real actionable tips from field-tested experts, this is the only community built to boost your productivity in under 30 minutes a week without needing a degree in animal science. Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Aide Badilla. For years I have helped pig farms across Canada solve one of their biggest challenges: hiring experienced, reliable workers through international recruitment. And along the way, I noticed something bigger holding farms back. Most farm owners and workers are overwhelmed with complex scientific advice that doesn't translate in real improvement. There is a serious gap between what is taught and what actually works in the farm. That is why I create this community. Inside, you will find chats and classes with real swine professionals. People have been in your booth, faced your problems, and know what actually works. Each episode is designed to give you at least 3 practical tips you can apply right away to improve results in your farm. Plus, you will get checklists, charts, and tools to help you implement what you learn quickly and easily. New here? No worries, I will walk you through it. Below this video, you will find how the community works, how to participate and level up, how to post, ask questions, and connect with others. And make sure to check out the quick testimonial from a client who used our support to hire a staff and saw big improvements on his farm. This space is for owners, managers, and hand-on workers who want to improve the way their farms run with less guesswork and more confidence. If that's you, you belong here. Introduce yourself below. Tell us where you're from, what part of the farm you work on, and what you want to learn the most. I'm welcoming you again to my community. I'm excited to see you grow. Let's get started.